So, good day everyone. I'm Justin Saligumba, the President of Community Cooperative. As the power of the President of the San Roque Community Cooperative holds the power to lead, represent, and guide the cooperative towards its goals. Their leadership is not about authority, but about service, unity, and vision, helping every member succeed together. So, introduction and barangay and purpose. Barangay San Roque is one of the vibrant and close-knit communities in Navotas City, known as the fishing capital of the Philippines. The San Roque Community Cooperative was established with one main goal: to improve the quality of life of the resident through cooperation and shared effort. The cooperative exists to transform the collective strength of the San Roque's people into a powerful force for progress, providing that through cooperation, every family can rise together. So, for the cooperative identity and details, the San Roque Community Cooperative of the Barangay San Roque, Navotas City is a symbol of unity, hard work, and shared success. It aims to empower local residents, especially fishermen and small business owners. Through cooperative values and community development, its logo reflects the strength, cooperation, and hope of the San Roque community, proving that together every family can rise toward a brighter future. Services and community service benefits. The San Roque Community Cooperative serves as a ride toward progress in Barangay San Roque, Navotas City. Through its livelihood savings and educational programs, it empowers residents to work together, improve their lives, and build a stronger, more sustainable community. So, for the closing, together, we can build a stronger and more progressive Barangay San Roque. The San Roque Community Cooperative is more than just an organization. It is a family that uplifts every member and gives hope to our community. Let us join hands, share our effort, and move forward as one. Be part of the San Roque Community Cooperative today because in unity there is progress and cooperation. There is a brighter future for us all. Again, I'm Justin Saligumba, the president of the community cooperative. Thank you.